Alright everyone, so there's a slight bug that I think is going to be a little bit tricky to fix. Basically the problem is that if the bottle is consumed, if the boost bottle is consumed, it sometimes carries on ticking. And that's not good. What makes it complicated is that there's two different ways in which this happens. So sometimes it happens because the bottle's already started ticking, and then you drink it, and it has to finish ticking. And sometimes it hasn't started ticking yet, but it's on its way to starting. Like it's the timeout has already begun behind the scenes, and in a minute it's going to start ticking. And if you drink it just in that moment, it continues with the timeout, and then it carries on ticking anyway. So we want to fix both of those, and we're going to fix them one by one. So I'm going to do the first one first. This is when the ticking has already started. And the reason that this is different than the other one is because in this case, you've actually got to stop the sound that's already started. So go to Boost. And if you go up here to Sounds, you've got this brick here that says Stop All Sounds. So when I receive bottle disappear, so that's when the wizard has drunk from the bottle. We just drop that there. And then if it's ticking, this will stop it. Now the problem with this is that it might stop something else as well. See, Stop All Sounds stops all sounds. It stops all the sounds from the wizard, all the sounds from the ghost, all the sounds from the lightning. Any sound that's in progress will get stopped by Stop All Sounds. And this is a bit of a limitation on Scratch in its current form, because there's no way to just stop particular sounds. There's no way to just stop sounds within one sprite. You just got to stop everything. So I want to make sure that the glug glug happens, even though we've stopped all sounds. So to do this, I want you to grab a broadcast signal. And what this is going to do is, after you've stopped all the sounds, it's going to broadcast a message to the wizard that says he's now good to go ahead with the Yum Yum. So we're going to start a new message. Say Yum Yum. And now we go over to wizard. And in this code here where it's drink potion, I want you to take the bit that says start sound, Yum Yum. And I just want you to delete that one purple brick. And now grab a when I receive. Say Yum Yum. And then go to sounds. And start sound Yum Yum. So this should solve the problem that we have. So if the bottle is ticking away and the wizard drinks the bottle, that'll send out the signal bottle disappear right here. The boost will get that. It will stop all sounds, which means it stops its ticking sound. It will then say, okay, you're cleared to say Yum Yum. And now the wizard will go ahead and say Yum Yum. So it adds a little bit of complication to it, but that should fix our problem. The first of our two problems. I'll fix the other one in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you there. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.